Hey guys, this is Robert with the Recreational Woodworker. Today I've got a little bit different video for you. I am going to show you a time lapse of building this pantry behind me. But before I dove into that, because it's just a time lapse of me building in my shop, I figured I'd give you a good idea of just kind of how I work in my shop and show you just kind of how this thing goes together. Of course, we have the set of plans that are coming very soon, so check the link in the description below for our full kitchen cabinet series. But let me show you a few little details on this cabinet before I cut to that footage. So as you see, this cabinet goes from the floor down here up to the ceiling. We just put on shoe mold and still need to go and do touch-up painting there. It flows across to those cabinets around the fridge and then down. You know, how to install kitchen cabinet series, this is the ones I'm installing. You can see, if you look closely, I still need to adjust the detail on some of my doors, excuse me. So, in the plans, I'll have the heights all laid out for you. In here, very simple design. Just shelves going up right there. Open this up. And we have more shelves. Need to dust it out a little bit. Then up here, you'll see I have a wider face frame. That's because I made a mistake when I built this. And when you're doing a big pantry like this, especially when it's going floor to ceiling, reference from top down, not floor up, because my floor is so uneven. Even though the math worked out, I had to shim this up to be the proper height. So this guy is actually hanging on a French cleat. You can see the two screws right there and right there, and then it's just shimmed up on the floor to be even with this guy. But if you look, see my face frame stops here, and then if you look right there, my face frame starts a little bit high. That's because I didn't measure right. So measure from your top down for your pantry and not from the bottom up, especially if you're gonna go even with the tops right here. That's one thing I did wrong. So what I did is I just added a filler strip right there, and then I ordered my doors the same size, and you can see how this door just overlaps about an inch right there, and here it's only that ½ inch. So when everything is closed, it looks really good. So that's the pantry, and now let's go to the footage. Thanks for watching this whole series over how to build kitchen cabinets. As you see behind, my kitchen is pretty much done. And I'm gonna do just probably 1 or maybe 2 more videos in this series of just mistakes I've made, things you wanna look at, how to do a few things that I might have missed in the other cabinets. And then in the description below is a link to my master cabinet build article on my website, therecreationalwoodworker.com. Okay, it's crooked, excuse me. There we go, that's better. You can go to the website, therecreationalwoodworker.com, to our master cabinet build article. All the videos will be there, all the links will be there, and a link to the plans that you can purchase will be there as soon as they are available. I'm actively working on getting those out as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike this video, give it a dislike. And let me know why in the comments. I'd love to get some feedback on how I'm doing. And if you want to connect with me and other woodworkers from around the country, go to our Facebook group, The Recreational Woodworker. Join us there, and we'd love to connect with you. Thanks. See you next week.